Alright guys, just a real quick video on how my lunchbox heater works. It's a portable stove. Plug comes out from the little compartment. Alright, plug it into our cigarette lighter. Does not heat up, I think. It's not supposed to heat up till you close the lid on it. But add you a little bit of water. Not much. The water is, what I understand, is just really to keep this from burning, you know, the inside of it, I guess. That's what I've always been told. I don't know. Fill this up with the proper amount of water. Free noodles. Alright. We'll break it in half. All you do, close it up. Let it cook. Alright, about 2 hours later. No, I'm kidding. It's been about 15 minutes maybe. This is what it looks like. But I fix it in this for the bowls. Then plus I've got the other stuff that I can put in here, and the bowl is disposable. So there we go. We got our noodle pack, cayenne pepper. Gotta have cayenne pepper for noodles. And I didn't put too much water in it, so I shouldn't have to really. I like mine pretty juicy, kind of juicy. Actually, probably a little juicier than this. But this will work. As long as it's juicy enough to get my spices mixed around. But I'm also going to try something else with this. Never tried it before. I don't know. It might be good. It might not be good. Give me just a second and I will show you what it is. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and unplug this. Now this fits right back up in here. Then it pokes right in to its little holding cell. It closes back down. It fits back in there a little better. It's actually all supposed to fit. There we go. Keep from scorching everything. Because this thing's supposed to get up to like 300 degrees. I don't know if it does or doesn't, but it's supposed to. Yeah, got a little bit of water. Paper towel. Paper towel time. Now these things are a little bit weak. A little bit. Our seasoning. I'll throw a little cayenne in it. I wanted to just see how this might be mixed together. So we're gonna try it right here on the video for the very first time. You guys try it with me. Might not be no good. If it is, that's alright. If it ain't, if it is good, great. If it ain't good, alright. We'll know not to do it again. Alright, let's see how this is. It's pretty good. Needs a little bit more of this. The tuna's not, that's really not bad. No, wait a minute. I don't want to put them. That's not too bad at all, guys. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about it. About that. Any questions? It was pretty good. I actually do not regret putting the tuna in the noodles. Maybe my beard, but not the noodles. that was good.